Hey, knowledge lovers! Today we're counting down the best Coursera courses for 2026. Career-ready picks that build practical skills and real portfolio pieces. The links to access the courses will be in the video description. Let's dive in. Number 1. UI/UX Designer, IBM. This career pathway focuses on user-centered design from discovery to delivery. You'll practice research methods, interviews, personas, journey maps, information architecture, wireframing, and prototyping, plus accessibility and usability testing so your designs serve real users, not just aesthetics. Expect hands-on projects in tools common to the industry, turning briefs into clickable prototypes and design systems. You'll graduate with case studies that show process, problem statements, iterations, test findings, and rationale, exactly what hiring managers want to see. Number 2. Java Developer, IBM. Start with Java Fundamentals, NOOP collections, error handling, and quickly move to building and testing maintainable applications. You'll work with APIs, files, and unit testing. Then apply best practices like version control, dependency management, and packaging. Many tracks also introduce web or service development, REST basics, simple databases, and deployment know-how. By the end, you'll be comfortable reading requirements, writing clean code, and explaining trade-offs in performance and design. Number 3. Relational Database Administrator, IBM. This program develops core DBA instincts, designing schemas, normalizing tables, and writing efficient SQL for CRUD, joins, and aggregates. You'll tackle indexing, constraints, views, backups, and restores, plus fundamentals of high availability and basic performance tuning. Operational modules cover users and roles, auditing, and routine maintenance tasks you'll automate. You'll finish with checklists, runbooks, and sample scripts that reflect real-world DBA workflows. 4. Marketing Specialist, Adobe. A creative meets analytics path that positions you to plan and execute campaigns end-to-end. You'll clarify brand voice and value propositions, build customer personas, and translate strategy into assets for email, social, and paid channels. Practical lessons cover content planning, creative fundamentals, basic tracking, and optimization loops. The capstone-style work is portfolio-friendly. Campaign briefs, asset mockups, and performance reports that demonstrate your ability to connect creative with results. I pause here to mention that if you want to take all these courses, you don't need to pay for them one by one. Just by purchasing the Coursera Plus subscription, you will have access to all these courses and more than 7,000. We will leave you the link in the video description at the best price. Let's continue. 5. Graphic Designer, Adobe. Learn the language of visual communication, typography, color, composition, and layout, while practicing with modern creative tools. You'll design logos, social graphics, posters, and simple brand guidelines that balance aesthetics and usability. Critique and iteration are built in. You'll refine work through feedback, export assets correctly, and prepare deliverables for print and digital. 6. Product Owner, IBM. Built for people who steer product outcomes. This pathway teaches backlog creation, user stories with acceptance criteria, prioritization, Moscow, value versus effort, and roadmap communication. You'll learn to run discovery, define metrics, and facilitate iteration with development and design. Expect artifacts you can take straight to work, lean charters, release plans, stakeholder updates, and KPI snapshots. 7. Generative AI Engineering, IBM, a practical introduction to building with modern AI. You'll explore prompt engineering, retrieval augmented generation, tool function calling, and evaluation methods that keep responses accurate and useful. Governance, privacy, and responsible AI are part of the toolkit from the start. Projects translate concepts into real use cases. Document Candé, text summarization, data-aware assistance, or light automation. 8. Data Management. IBM data careers run on reliable pipelines and well-governed assets. This track covers data modeling, metadata, quality checks, and lifecycle practices from ingestion to consumption. You'll work with SQL for transformation and build documentation that makes datasets discoverable and trustworthy. You'll also learn pragmatic governance, naming conventions, access controls, lineage basics, and reproducibility. The result is a playbook for keeping analytics teams aligned and your dashboards honest. Before we wrap up, remember, all of these courses can be taken without having to pay for each one, simply by acquiring the Coursera Plus subscription that offers more than 7,000 courses by only paying a monthly or annual fee. The link with the best price will be in the video description. Until next time, knowledge lovers.